people out and they will not come again for this our entertainment news. So if you never subscribe to our YouTube channel, make una do go subscribe, and if you don't subscribe, don't forget to turn on the notification bell where they get get this update from us. And if you never tell people about this our news channel, make you do tell people so that they will know say get gist and update this our channel. Today we want to talk about two Nollywood actresses, so they call Destiny Etiku and Ruby Ojako. That is what they have for this entertainment industry, because Wahala now come be like bicycle. Wahala, they ride bicycle, they walk out my brother, my sister. All of us know Destiny Etiku now, the way that they call Nollywood doll, the Barbie, Nollywood Barbie. She can't call Ruby out, say, waiting they worry Ruby. Whether na bad thing say that they help person for industry. Say make another like they want help anybody for this their movie industry. Just they do jejely they work by herself. Say na Ruby can complain say Destiny Etiku, why you do me like this? Why you no go they call me for set? Why can't they follow you the art? All this kind of thing. Say she can reason and she can tell her say you the very busy person. How me go call you for set? Why I know say you busy? Now Ruby say not be so. You still they call me. I go see create chance still come. Now so Destiny can call her for one movie set where she come. The girl can talk say where she pay her money. 90 send her account number. Destiny can send her 700,000. After Destiny don't send this guy the money. Say Destiny talk say in even price. If say normally as they be colleague and they be friends. Say Ruby supposed to talk say okay, how much you go see my price, but how much you go give me based on friendship. Say Ruby not talk anything like that. So say Ruby not talk anything, just talk the money now, so she take pay. Say the next day now, this girl not consent to now, so this girl take disappoint her. Say if they thought say she be bad person. Now so if for the start they say bad name, now so where for the start. Say now make them they like help people at all. Ruby for the other hand now come and say Destiny na liar and a gossip. So why Destiny go they talk waiting you don't know? Say if don't fit Destiny say she dey very busy, but she go try her best to come for that set. He say on that day, say now so everybody they stalk her. Be like say they don't already know say she they go Destiny set. Say now so she not fit can't go again no. Say he come call Destiny self for tell and say see waiting they sup oh. See wetin dey happen no. Say but Destiny still come out, come dey curse and dey talk to her anyhow. Say anywhere where you see Destiny, he go beat am. My people not be waiting my man go fit talk finish. I go show una the video, make una watch am for una self.
For this whole industry, I don't think I want to be friends with anybody again. Because I don't understand. Any small thing, they go they find Destiny in trouble, and then go they find my trouble. But when I say one thing now, it will be like no, anything would not associate with my name now. No, it will not go well. That is why they're always looking for my trouble. Okay. A few days ago, Ojako sent me a message. Sorry, Destiny, I don't know what you're feeling like. Destiny, this industry we do. I don't know what you're feeling like. You they do all your production since. You never for one day call Ruby say, but you're gonna do me sister. That means you don't want my progress. You're calling other people. You bring people from Lagos. You do this, you do that. I say, but Ruby, you are so busy. Ruby, you're there too busy now. You go carry 10 jobs at the same time. I don't have patience for that. I mean, I'm an actor, but for right now, I'm more of a businesswoman. My business, I do. I do more producing than acting. I do more of my personal movies now. I hardly work for anyone. But I will call you for a job. You waste time. I was just telling somebody. The fact that Ruby is doing this, it's a choice. You know. I wanted to use her for one production. And that was what she told me. Sis, I go come. Sis, paying money. My own colleague. Are you not supposed to at least say, oh, sis, my money is this amount. Or let me remove this for you. When I was traveling, you told me it was your birthday. I had already gotten to the head bridge. I was heading down. It was Christmas period. I was going to see my mom. I had to turn back and I came and showed you love, that's because of how clean my heart is towards you. What did you do, Ruby? What did you do? You told me to pay you, that you're going to be on my set that morning. I paid you, Ruby. Did you come? I only told you. I told somebody that knows you, and they fear you, who you be. I know Sabi talk too much. I know Sabi, if you make me vex, now one slap I go knock you for face, you go turn red. Not be too much talk. So because I don't like to banter words with anybody, so it is best I don't even start, because my bantering words with you is to slap Chris come off for your body. I don't mind. It does not matter whether you senior me or not. I will slap better Chris come off for your body. You understand? So now, as an actor and my colleague, I gave you the respect. Oh, you've been there before me, blah blah blah. I called you. I paid you for a job. You did not remove one naira for me, Ruby. So I now told someone that is close to you, please go and tell your friend to refund my money. Refund my money, since she's not available to shoot my film.
Babes, you called me for a job. What did I tell you? Be sincere, be truthful to yourself. What did I tell you? I told you I am choked up. I have so many jobs at hand. And you were like, I should see how I can squeeze myself. That you really want me in that particular job. That in fact, that character, that I'm the only one that can interpret that character perfectly for you. That was what he said. And I told you, babes, right now I even get two back to back while even in battle with. Another one even they come. I don't know how. He say, Ruby now. Now we win now. I'm your fellow artist. They won't go what gonna do for producers, leave your fellow artist. That was what he said. He said I should try and squeeze myself and see how I can do it. I said, babes, I am not assuring you. I am not assuring you. But if it's what you can take, if it's what you can cope, then no problem. Let's see how it goes. Biko, was this what I said or not? I said, let's see how it goes. That was what I said. And then you started the production. Day 1, day 2, day 3. Now like this, the jobs that they do, hold me for neck. Even if I want to step out to even ease myself, the producers, they follow me for back. Because they feel I want to stick out. They already got information that I'm in that job you're doing. So they were marking me. This will not let me come out. I called you as a colleague, as a friend. And I told you, babes, look at what is going on. Oh. These people are marking me up and down. They didn't even allow me to come out. You know, I told you this thing now before you paid in. Not like it was after payment that I told you.
People, hope una don watch the video. Wahala be like Nollywood movie. Make una not forget to like and share. And also I want to know una comment. I want to know wetin una think concerning this matter. Make una write for comment section. Now well done, oh.
Fire when the strong hits you.
That's it, friend.